Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, remote engine start, LED headlights, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.